Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I don't know, gosh, I just feel, okay, I'm sorry for all the smudges and the fingerprints here. I work on my desk a lot, and I put, when I'm doing my stickers and I'm putting the transfer tape on, I don't know why it makes these lines, and then it's just so smudgy. Ugh, this desk is so frustrating. But anyway, I'm hoping that you guys aren't here to stare at the desk. I'm going to zoom you in a little bit. So, okay. So I have another unboxing from Planner Envy. Now, I told you guys in the last Planner Envy unboxing that I probably wasn't going to have any more. Well, her cutoff dates for like ordering are kind of confusing because I see all the time her saying that the 20th is the cutoff date to order, to order the box, but her actual date for the automatic withdrawals is way before that. And I was really frustrated because after my other video, these are always tapes, like so much. After the other video, I did send her a message on Instagram because she was always pretty quick to reply to Instagram before. And I let her know that I wanted to cancel. Well, she never got back to me. And I just figured, you know what? Maybe she's just upset because I want to unsubscribe. And so she's not going to respond, but she'll cancel it anyway. So I didn't think anything about it. And then like not even, I think it was like 2 or 3 days later, the subscription fee still came out of my account. And I was really irritated with it at that point because she hadn't messaged me back yet on Instagram. And when I went to go check the message, she hadn't even responded to it yet or saw it yet. Because, you know, you can see, it's kind of like Facebook, you can see the messages on there. So I went to the Planner Envy website, sent her an email, and never got a response back. So at that point, I knew I had a few weeks to get it done before they try to pull another payment out. So I waited a week, still didn't hear anything about it. So then I commented on one of her posts and told her that I was wanting to cancel. Where do I need email? Again, no response. I commented on yet another post on Instagram, and she finally responded to that one, and we finally did get it canceled. But at that point, these were already getting ready to ship. And so not only that, but she didn't even ask like if I wanted a refund or anything. And I did tell her that I've been trying to get a hold of them for weeks. So I was just really frustrated with that. So just be careful. If you guys subscribe to this, you might want to probably, I don't have a PayPal account. Whoa, sorry guys. I don't have a PayPal account, and that's how she does these subscriptions, is through PayPal. So if you have a PayPal account, you might want to just go into your subscriptions on PayPal and cancel it that way, because it was a hassle to get a hold of her. I unfollowed them on all social media because I don't plan on ordering the box anymore. I don't even want to look at the kits anymore. And so I don't, normally she gives some sneak peeks away, so I have no idea what's in this box. I'm really hoping that it's something that I can use. And recently they sent out, or actually, no. Let me back up. When I unsubscribed, like about a week later, I got an email that said, how did we do? And when I clicked on it, it was a survey asking why I unsubscribed. So everything that I've told you guys in these videos about not really, the kits not being really functional for me, I basically stated in that survey. So opening it up right away, I see gold, black, and white. I'm already seeing something that I love. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Okay, so I really like these. And okay, I think this is a Pen Gems pen too. I'm not 100% sure. Sorry, I'm looking at it. I'm not 100% sure. I don't think these move at all, but it's got this big old gem on the top. Now, I like the pens. I like the pens because they have a nice weight. However, not a big fan of like the giant diamond on the top. So, you know, what can I do? I really like the well, actually, no. I got this pen gem. I got this pen gem in my Tula direct sales kit, and I love this pen. And Tula actually has these on their website. This one doesn't have, see, this one says pen gems on the little, what are these called? I don't know, that thingy. This one doesn't have one. I'll probably only use this at home just because this is like kind of bulky and not really into that look, but I really like the quality of the pens. So there's that. Then we've got a poodle paper clip, really not my thing either. And then the bow. It's a black and white bow. That's cute. I like the thicker paper clip, so that's probably something that I can get some functionality out of, is the fat paper clip. I really like that. I feel like I can't keep the thin ones on my planners, especially because I'm on the go so much. So 3 kits in this one. I think all of the planner envy boxes I've gotten have all had 3 kits, and I'm really glad that there is not one of those elastics in here that you put around your binder, because I hate those things. So I'm going to toss that. Don't need it. Put it in the recycle. Okay. First kit. We have a I Want to Be in Paris kit. So this is super cute. This is a kit, as far as the graphics are concerned, that's right up my alley. But I don't know. We'll see how functional it is when we get into it. It's probably going to be the exact same thing as all of the rest. So I love the black and white look of it. Again, I'm not a really big dog person. So usually the kits come with some extra full boxes, though, that if I didn't want to use that one, I don't have to. So same appointment labels on everything. I'm not feeling this orange color inside of this kit, but, you know, whatever works, I guess. Same icons, everything. These, what do you guys use these for? Because I don't know. I don't know what those are for. Okay. Same functional sheet here. You've got your strips, your check strips, some appointment labels. These, I really like those stickers. Couple of habit trackers, lots of flags as usual with these kits, some payday things. I love these little boxes here with the lines. Those are super cute. Then we've got your sidebar stuff and lots of it. You could even use these during the week if you wanted to. And yes, there is some extra full boxes here. I love these half boxes. These are so cute. I really like these two right here. I love this black background with the flowers. Which is it? Is it flowers or is it just like brush strokes? I think it's like brush strokes. Yeah, I really like that. And then, ooh, look at the washi. Washi's gorgeous on this one. Love that. So this is another, well, these kits I use if I plan on having some kind of white space in there. So there's the first kit. The second kit is kind of another black and white kit. This one's planner girdle, paper clips. This one's really cute too. Not really fall related, but I still kind of like it because it's kind of like academic-y kind of theme with the paper clips and the pencils. This is really cute. I really like this one. Same basic setup on all of the stickers. Oh, look how cute this half box is. Same icons, lots of flags, check strips, same thing. This one, the design on this one seems to be paper clips, bows, and lips. And then again with all of the sidebar stuff and some extra full boxes here. Really like this one with the glasses. That's cute. And then the washi. Girl Boss, glasses, paper clips, pencils. You got this. I really like this one. This is something that I could use definitely for school as well. I really dislike these weekend banners though. I don't know what it is. I just, whoops. I'm just not really into the weekend banners in this kit. But they're not my design choices. Okay. And the third kit. This one looks like it's probably only 2 or 3 pages. Those ones were 4 pages. This one looks like it's 2. Yeah. Okay. So here we've got like the poodles again with the Eiffel Tower theme. This is probably something that's going to go in my giveaway pile. You've got 4 different dogs on this one, and then all the backgrounds are like this. What is this called? I want to say damask, but I feel like that's not quite right. I don't know. Then you've got some cute florals as well. And this one, again with the pink and the black and white theme, but this one has some more neutral colors into it. I really like the gray. And then the icon and functional page with your meal labels, some bill dues, your habit trackers, a couple of these canceled, reschedule type of things, some quarter boxes. Again, with my little favorite box right here, lots of flags. This is another box here, not box, but this is another sticker that I just don't understand. What do you guys use these for? I don't know. I had one that didn't have a circle, and it looked more like a deco box, and I did use it as a deco piece instead. So yeah, that's the Planner Envy box. I finally have it canceled, so I will not be unboxing any more of these on the channel. I really wish they were more functional for me per se, and to be completely honest, I don't, at least like the people that I follow on YouTube, as far as planner stuff is concerned, I don't really see them with the Planner Envy box, and I'm wondering if this is why. The reason that I chose the Planner Envy, whoops, missed a sheet here. The reason that I chose the Planner Envy box is because it's one of the most affordable options as far as planner sticker kits are concerned. And because I make my own stickers already, I didn't really feel the need to spend like $30 or $40 on a monthly subscription for stickers that I'm probably not gonna ever get to, just to like build up and have the collection, I guess. I don't know. I see a lot of people do the Glam Planner one, which is probably one that I will not do just because of the cost. It's so expensive, and I'm not really into the whole mystery planner kit thing. I think I'm just way too picky to do something like that. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll do my own mystery kit, or not mystery kit, but subscription box. I don't know. These kits, I'm a lot happier with what I got here than I have ever in the past with Planner Envy, just because I like these designs way better than like all of the summer things that we got, because we got like 8 summer kits, or 6, was it 6? 2 boxes in a row are basically the same summer themes. And yeah, I'm just not, I guess I don't do the whole tropical thing enough to need that many kits. But yeah, so there you guys have it. This is the August, or actually no, it's the September 2019 subscription box. We're in September, duh. So there you guys have it. I just got out of class, got home, had some lunch real quick, and so my brain is already fried for the day. So yeah, there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys later.